Hello, 8th grade. I just wanted to check in to make sure you all understood what you were supposed to do once logging into Mosa Mack. So when you log into Mosa Mack this week, I want you specifically to go to the lesson on water cycle. So you're going to go to your water cycle unit, and you'll just click on that and it should take you right there. On day one, you're just doing what pops up right away. The animation, mystery, vocabulary, questions using complete sentence answers, of course, where you use information you found from the text to answer the questions, and the quiz. If you want, you're welcome, of course, to look at the answer found in step 5. If you prefer to read it instead of watch it, don't worry, you can click on comic and then you can see it in its PDF version as well. I don't know why it got so giant that time, but usually it's perfect. And so that's an option for those of you who prefer to read rather than to watch the video. Okay, day 2, let's pretend that now we're on Thursday and I wanted to come back. The next time you log in, I want you to go to live video. And this is going to talk about a real world situation that's really going on relating to the water cycle and pollution. So you're going to watch this very short 1-minute video, answer the episode questions that relate to it, and then you're going to take another quiz today. This quiz is going to actually count as a quiz score, so please make sure you try your best on it because I will be looking at that. And it's not so much about the information in this video as it is about everything that we've been talking about this week in relation to the water cycle. Then the last thing I said in my instructions were you also need to click on Unit Overview. So once I click on Unit Overview, if I scroll down, I'll find Leveled Reading. When you go leveled reading, there are 3 readings you can choose from. Okay, and so you can decide, do you want to read about your very own pet water drop, water everywhere, or it's not magic, it's just a phase. Okay, and so you can choose one of these readings to complete a reading response over. So those are the things you're going to be doing in Mosa Mack this week. I hope you learned something new between the Ed Puzzle, me, hopefully, and Mosa Mack about the water cycle and forecasting weather. All right, have a good day.